prat. And now it's a prat to klal. That means that the klal is including more things. Bisrabi lulakal mili, and it's including all other chatos. Elatana, rather, how did the Bais even imagine that we should only have one chatas that should be slaughtered on the north, and all other ones don't need to be? It's not from the klal prat rule. It's from the term oisai, because it says v'shachat oisai. And oisai means him or it. Oisai kakashale. The oisai was what was bothering him. Because the pasuk says that you slaughter it, and it maybe will specifically it and not other ones, not because of the klal prat. So now the Gemara asks, so 1 second, okay. So now we know that all chatas need to be slaughtered on the north, right? We have the third pasuk. We know that the chatas of the nasi is pasul if it's not, because it says again. But we thought that maybe only the chatas of the nasi is from the word oisai, but that's not true because we have the third pasuk. So we asked, so why do we need oisai? What is oisai coming to? Oisai means it. It means specifically it and not something else. What is it excluding? Oisai l'muti mai. The Gemara says l'mu'ute oisai b'tzafin v'einsar nachshin b'tzafin. Nachshin ben Aminadav, the Nesiim, they brought their sacrifices. So they brought goats that were chatas by the Chanukas HaMizbeach. And it doesn't only mean Nachshin, it means all of the Nesiim. Because it was included for smicha. That means that it was a regular chatas. They have to do smicha and they have to lean, the owner of it leans on it before it's slaughtered. So I could have thought that if it's a chatas, you're doing smicha. So also it's going to require tzafin, kamash malan. It's coming to teach me that you only do smicha on it, but you don't do the shchita of tzafin on the korban of nachshem. I saw only the nasi, only the nasi, the king that does the avera, but not the nesiim that brought by the Chanukas HaMizbeach. Shachar Isai, it has tzafin, but not the other ones.
So the first time when they were nagir in Mizbeach, they didn't do it.
They did not do tzafin.
And then, but the Duras they do, so to speak.
Other chatais on it.
Okay.
Okay, the smicha is going to take us through a whole sugya. We'll stop over here.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Thank you very much.